welcome back to my channel. This is Sahi. In this episode, the much requested my skincare routine. Yes guys, so most of you guys wanted to know what exactly my skincare routine is and how I got this glowing skin. And today in this video, I'm going to disclose all my beauty secrets which I have to have this glowing gorgeous skin. So let us start that. So the first thing what I do after my bath is cleansing my face again with this rice water. Yes guys, so before going to bath, I'll soak some rice, and the rice soaked water which I get is the one which I use immediately after my bath. So I'm not going to use any soap or any kind of face wash when I'm using this rice water. I generally pour this water on my face and I just cleanse it. I do not use water again after using this. So this is the first thing which I do to take care of my skin, because we all know that rice water have a lot of beauty benefits. It contains lot of vitamins and essential minerals which are required to maintain the skin elasticity, and it also prevents free radicals. So this is the first thing. After that, the immediate thing what I do is applying moisturizer to my skin. Yes, so what is the moisturizer I apply? That is what you're thinking. I have already done a video on DIY Skin Gloss Cum Moisturizer, that is with this aloe vera gel in combination with this Johnson baby oil. So I'll give a link below in the description box, you can check out for that. So this is the second thing what I do after the rice water. So after that, I generally do not use any makeup on my daily basis. I generally go for sunscreen immediately after moisturizer once the moisturizer is absorbed by the skin. So I do use this Lakme SPF 50 moisturizer on my daily basis. And at times, if I require to attend some function or some official meeting, I do apply this Pond's BB Plus cream. So this is what I do on morning basis as a routine daily when I'm going to my office. And coming to the noon session, I generally have very little time to wash my face or any kind of touch up or anything. So I do not generally go for any face wash except in some situations. When I'm not feeling well or I feel tired, I generally do wash my face only with water but no soap or face wash. And what I do if I do not wash my face on general basis in the noon to evening session, so then these are my saviors. Yes, so I do use this Kama Pure Rose Water as a face mist, which is really cool. Or sometimes I use this BioBloom face mist of jasmine. So any of these two will be there with me in my bag all the time. So moving on to my night routine. So after taking bath at night, immediately I do use this moisturizer, again the DIY one. And sometimes when my face looks tired or it wants some rejuvenation, so I do use some scrub, especially this Nature's Bath and Body Scrub Face Wash, which is scrub cum face wash. It's really very cool. I already did a review on this. You can check out the link in the description box for this too. Or recently my favorite is this Ma Earth Botanicals Rose Facial Scrub. It's really cool and I'm going to do a review. If you want me to do, please comment below. So these are the two things which I'm using as a scrub. And at night I do generally use this Omar Free Lip Cream. So this is the lip balm which is very cool, which I generally use on daily basis. Apart from that, I do not use any night cream regularly, but whenever there is a zit during especially monthly time, so I generally go for this Mela Best cream, which was prescribed by my dermatologist. But I'm not recommending this because you have to use by consulting the dermatologist, because it varies from skin to skin. It cannot be suited for all skin types, and do not use this especially in the winters because it makes the skin dry if you use on daily basis. So this really is a very great one which prevents chits and also reduces the scars or pimple marks if any. Really this is a best thing for me, the Mela Best. So I generally use when the cheat appears or when I feel my face requires some clearance, I use this, but I do not use regular basis again. And coming to the moisturizer, at present I'm using this Saint Davensay moisturizer. I already did a review. I'll give a link below in the description box, check for that. So this is the moisturizer which I'm using present, but I would like to change this because for winter it may not suit. So my winter routine will be something different from the general routine. And for hands, this is my all-time favorite. This is 18 hours protective hand cream from Sally Hansen. I have already did a review. I'll give a link below in the description. Please check out that. And coming to skin tonic. Yes, yeah, I'm talking about the skin serum. Yes. So coming to the skin serum, I generally on regular basis I do not use. I'm very lazy to use all these kind of products. So on regular basis I do not use, but whenever I remember, yes, I have that, I do use these skin serums. One is from this Just Herbs Elixir facial serum, and another one I have this Otter face serum. So these are the two serums which I generally use, not on regular basis. I already told you, whenever I remember, yes, I have to use, then only I'm using, but I would like to use them regularly because they have really some good properties. So this is what I generally do. I do not go for more products because I wanted to make it natural, and at times I use like weekly once. I generally use skin tan pack. I generally go for DIY skin tan pack, which I already did, and look for the link in the description box. Or sometimes when I do not find more time to make DIY, I go with this NutriGlow Instant Tan Remover Cream, but I do not use it on regular basis. I received this in Glow Box, so I'm using only for that purpose. So these are what my beauty secrets which I have disclosed today for you. So I advise you all to go with minimal routine. Do not use more and more makeup because makeup will make your skin dry. If it doesn't suit, it produces jits and also some holes on your skin. It will not be good. So I generally use only kajal or sometimes eyeliner and the lipstick, and sometimes BB Plus. I already told you, only those are the things which I generally use on daily basis. But parties, functions, of course, we girls know how to get ready for them, right? So right guys, so this is all what I would like to share with you guys in this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit that like button there and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Right guys, see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Adios.